This project was also very interesting, but also difficult as well. I've never imagined to use a car as an art material, and it's a Koh machine, but it also has a fascinating emotion, just like a flower itself. Well, I wanted to show both the current and the future of our car, and I thought it'd be interesting to connect these two imagery of the car itself, and I think this beautiful flower because there's a connection between them as well. So I guess I'm trying to create something about the now itself. It's important to realize the moment that we are in, and I think they're quite similar in a way because they're all systems as well. And a car and a flower, they both have roots and they need light. So I wanted to marry the imagery of both of them. And then when I visited the Hyundai plant, the first thing I noticed was the humanism in the plant itself, both in the workers and the plant itself and the cars. And it goes just like a flower, the root systems, it goes through from from the head to the roots itself. And it's very important that there's this humanity in all things. I was actually lucky enough to see the whole process of seeing how the whole car comes together. It was marvelous how I noticed they didn't throw anything away, and it was how important they consider both the surroundings of both the humans and the car itself at once. I wanted to connect these values with my car, and I wanted to bring these values into this white Hyundai car. So this Mobius loop represents this idea of an infinite time, and also like a closed system of things always being connected in a way. Right, well, as a kid, I've always loved this symbol because it means a closed system. Also, there's all these meanings to it besides recycling, and how important it is to regenerate systems today and things continue of itself. The flower has the roots and the car has all the systems, and I wanted to show them both being a same system in a way. Also, flower means hope of the future, and the car working with the nature itself. I wanted something to represent that the car itself could bring life to a flower itself. The flow of the flower and nature symbolize both harmony and nature itself, and it's also vitality speaking out humanism. So I think it's important to both have the environment and the humanism together at once. And this scene can seem like another man-made rigid piece, but it centers with new life. And this is the message that Hyundai Motor wants to share with the world.